Good morning and welcome, guys. Got my son here as well because we gotta drop him off at the babysitter. But anyway, guys, we're back at it. We got some updates today. My car is getting, something it had when I bought it, but it kind of needs it. I'm getting ahead of you, James. This is not gonna be a fishbowl no more. Can't wait. All right, let's get him in the car.
He all putting it. Oh, I gotta go grab my camera. Forgetting stuff already. Y'all come with me for a journey. Trying to get out the door. If you enjoyed the life of Kurt, you let me know. Literally, that's what it's like every freaking morning. I forget something and have to go up the stairs. I went up the stairs 5 times basically, man, or 4 or 5 times. I need some more cardio.
Just dropped my son off. Now it's just me and Kurt.
It's your boys, Kbrothers Sports, back at it again with another video.
Anyway, we're off to the tint shop, get the windows tinted. Hopefully it looks better after we're done. Let's hit it.
Devil in a red dress, call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess.
I swear to God, he backed off. But I like the Corvette. Anyway, the C8 though. Any comments, concerns, questions? Mid-engine Corvette. Beautiful car, we want one, but we can't afford one.
We hashtag broke. Dropping the car off. Now we are carless. We're on foot. I'm gonna go find people. No, I'm kidding. About to say let's download Uber.
Yeah, seriously, I'm about to download Uber, like no joke. Or, can we borrow your car?
We about to go on a hike.
Yeah, we about to go on a long ass walk. Look at that Corvette. We have found a car audio place. He wants to go look at a couple sub boxes. But we're walking up one of these.
The good part is there's a fence.
Right? And it falls at any moment.
Alright, time to move people.
Dude, watching like if they ever held a race, and like we could like watch a race from up here.
Right?
That would be sick. That's our view. More updates to come. Car audio. That's where we're going. Continuing on with the walk. Walked in there. He found a sub box he really likes. So actually, after my car's done, we're gonna drop by over there and he's gonna pick it up. We're gonna head over here to the track station. It's a train. If you're not from Utah, they call it tracks. We're gonna probably head downtown, just roam around for about an hour or so until he's done with my car. Sorry for the wind. I gotta probably yell. I don't know how well the GoPro's picking anything up, but anyway, more to come. All right, we bought all day passes for 12 bucks for both of us. Not bad. We look like tourists. We don't know where we're at. What's up, guys? We're on the train now, so this is really weird. I'm sitting backwards, but yeah. That guy was somehow ended up on this curb line. Somehow. It's Utah. You have some smart people and you have you get the gist. Okay, well, there was a train swap. Now we're getting back on the train. Let's go.
Once again, you can get back on.
Thank you. So.
Once again, they got that car off the rails. We are able to proceed.
Let's get it. So we were gonna get off, But you know that car you've seen in the video? Yeah, so they got that off the track. We're doing train swaps back and forth, but it's off the track now, so we can continue on with the regular operation. Man, we are train hopping today. We've been on like 4 different freaking trains. I swear to God, like we're just still trying to figure this out. Our train is coming all the way down there. But yeah, we've been just kind of cruising around on tracks and we're kind of enjoying it. The newer ones definitely have better AC. This one's not too bad. But yeah, so now we're going back. Oh yeah, no, this is weird.
It's weird. Not how it turns. Oh. That's the rotation.
Hello! Audio and video cameras are in use. Hi! So it does record audio. Awesome. Well, we're off the train. First thing we see, first thing I do is run into somebody. First thing we see. Jesus.
It's older.
I know. It's nice. That's for sure.
I wouldn't mind driving.
Right? Alright, so we're some weird people, you know, we're just walking around downtown. So they have these automatic, these electric scooters you can rent. You download an app and like, you know, you ride it and whatnot. But they're charging 25 cents a minute? Like, is that even right? Like, I haven't ridden one yet. I want to try it. I just put $10 on the app. If I find one, I'll try it. And I guess I'll give my full review. But I mean, I just look at it, I think 25 cents a minute. You're being too damn loud! Jesus! Anyway, 25 cents a minute. I don't really see where that's worth it. Like, how fast, where can you go in a minute? I'm just saying, but like, I don't know. More to come. We're walking, no, we're walking to make some models. All right, well, we made it. Just gotta walk across the road. What? No button? What do you mean no button? Where'd it go? This is a very interesting vlog because of the fact that we're on foot, waiting for my car to be done.
We're on foot, waiting and waiting. This car could explode.
What? Parts, service, sales, and racing. Don't forget about the racing part. So again, if you guys ever need your dream car, come to Make Some Models. Not sponsored, just bored. And you're too loud. Ooh, they got the McLaren, just chilling. Coming through the front door this time. Oh, I kind of forget. Ooh, front and center, look at that. Oh, they cleaned the charger, looks nice. Hello.
Doing well.
It's hot outside. We walked here because my car's getting tint.
Oh.
So we took tracks.
Yeah, I haven't been outside yet and my office is freezing.
Well, that's good.
I should probably go outside and warm up.
Hopefully. Going back to pick up the car. He hasn't called me yet, but we're going back over there because it's been 2 hours? Roughly 2 hours? Yeah, 2 hours. So we're off of that. Did just get a text. The car is done. So perfect timing. Not on that thing anymore. Goodbye train. So it's nice and relaxing. I love the AC in that one, but the old one, oh my goodness, I feel like you were just sitting outside the whole time. Dude, there's another scooter.
If there was 2, I would say yes. But if I'm walking, your ass is walking too.
Dude, we gotta find one. You think I'm kidding? I rode one of these scooters a little earlier. It's fun. It's fun. He doesn't know it. He didn't try it. Anyway, back to what I was saying. We're walking back to pick up the car. We're walking next to a very busy freaking road. I feel like I'm walking next to a goddamn highway.
I love feeling the heat of all these cars.
Seriously, it's hot.
90 degrees.
You'll see the car in like 2 seconds. Look at his car.
There we go.
Look at his car. All right, you'll see mine in just a second. I go pay. Beautiful, beautiful RS4. Oh. All right, we got the Cobalt back. It is definitely darker. I'm gonna love this a hell of a lot more. We are legal, so this is legal tint. So, I don't know, either way, we got the car back. Do not roll down. Oh, for 3 to 5 days. Thank you, good to know, appreciate that.
All right, got the sub box. You should have seen trying to put this thing in here. It was fun. So, we did another thing. This one, on the other hand, I can't really put in front of me We went to another DI. That should answer most of your question. Here in just a second, you're going to go ahead and see what we got. If our women ever say we don't think of them, think again. I'm just gonna tell you right now, this is the second time going to the DI. 2 videos in a row. We bought something stuffed.
Alright, so as you can see, we made it home. There's those names. Put names in the comments section. What do you think we should name them? Weirdo. Anyway.